Hey guys, this is Joep van Vilstra, Sempergreen Services, right here in Culpeper, Virginia, at our farm where we're currently growing a living wall for a project in New York City. The living wall planted about 3 months ago with these tiny little plants, and look at it right now. It looks absolutely stunning. Nearly covered. A couple more pockets that need to be filled in, but doing really well. Excited for this to be installed in May. In the meantime, we will be planting up 3 more. To be installed all in spring of next year. So exciting times, busy times, but exciting. Plants are looking happy, healthy, growing really well. So can't wait for this one to be installed as well as the others. I had to share this with you. I walked around over here. It's an absolute joy to walk around this living wall. So I had to share this with you. Hope to be able to share many more soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.